Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Travel Tech. So as promised in the previous giveaway, I'm starting a new giveaway contest for the Philips GoSure Dashcam. Yes, this time it's not going to be one winner, but lucky two winners. You can go ahead and win this dashcam for free, and all you need to do is just comment on my videos. Yes, that's the only one simple thing which you need to do, but you need to keep doing it on my next 6 videos starting from this one. So I'll be selecting the top 10 comments on each of these videos, and all those who come within the top 10 comments will automatically qualify for the giveaway contest, and I'll be conducting a lucky draw just like the previous one to decide who wins the Philips GoSure Dashcam. And as I said, this time it's not going to be one but 2 winners. So this is a very good opportunity for all of you to win yourself a super cool dashcam. Also, in case if you have missed my previous detailed review video of the Philips GoSure, you can go ahead and watch it. The link will be provided in the description below. So this time the contest is going to be fast and hot because a lot of videos are lined up for this week and the next week as well. So go ahead, comment on my next 6 videos starting from this particular video, and also do note that comments with only 1 or 2 words will be automatically disqualified. The comments have to be good and useful to all the other viewers who are going to watch those videos in the future. So to make sure that you stand a good chance of being in the top 10 comments for each video, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of Travel Tech right now and smash that like button. Also, don't forget to follow me on my Facebook, Insta and the WhatsApp page, because I'll be posting video updates right there before I put it on the YouTube channel. So if you're following me on all these platforms, you will stand a really good chance of being in the top 10, and who knows, you might just win yourself a Philips GoSure Dashcam. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.